I'm about to talk about what is, for sciencey types like myself, maybe the single most depressing experiment ever conducted, and 2 reasons to be optimistic in its wake. Ni hao ma, beloved sibling. It is I, Aaron Freeman, a sciencey optimist, here to talk about what politics does to your mathematical skills. Professor Dan Kahan of Yale University wanted to find out whether or not one's political affiliation affected one's ability to make mathematical calculation. He and his team assembled 1,000 test subjects, noted their political affiliations, conservative, Republican, liberal, Democrat. That's what he did. Those are not my categories, they're his. They tested the subjects' interest and effectiveness in solving certain types of mathematical problems, with the highest scoring subjects being classified as numerate. All the subjects were shown fake data. Half the group was told that these data represented the effectiveness of certain cream on skin rashes. The other half were told that these data represented the effectiveness of banning concealed carry handguns, whether or not it increased or decreased crime. In the skin rash condition, about half the subjects got it right, with a higher percentage of the numerate people getting it right, about 2/3, not 100%. In the concealed carry condition, about half of them got it right, but the bright line was not numeracy, it was political affiliation. And the depressing part, which you can see coming, is that the more numerate subjects were in the political condition, the more likely they were to get it wrong. When shown data they were told suggested that banning the carrying of concealed weapons led to an increase in crime, numerate liberal Democrats were no better than innumerate anybody else. And when conservative Republicans were shown data that they were told showed that banning concealed carry handguns led to a decrease in crime, they were just as wrong as those who were declared innumerate. Greater proficiency with numbers caused people in a political condition to become more confident of their wrong answers. So my and other people's dreams of getting more math and science and rationality and empiricism into our political discussions will make things more reasonable and make our discussions easier to manage are just wrong. The good news is that, for one, very few scienceable topics become political hot buttons. There's concern about overuse of antibiotics, but the science about which bacteria are currently susceptible to antibiotic treatment is not currently debated. Nor is there debate about the accuracy of auto emissions testing stations when they measure the CO2 output of your car. Most scienceable issues involve no rancor. B, in this study, people who were more numerate were more likely to answer the non-political questions accurately. While we can see that increased numeracy is no impregnable shield against political bias, it does help us in the non-political areas of our lives, which are most of them. Numeracy, and by inference, scienciness, is not the only thing, it's not everything, but hey, it doesn't hurt. Thank you googly much for watching all the way to the end, beloved sibling. I post new, sciencey, optimistic videos every Monday through Friday. If you enjoyed this one, do a brother a solid, slap a like on that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share with someone you know who might themselves enjoy some sciencey optimism. I am Aaron Freeman, I am a sciencey optimist, and I hope you have a statistically significant amount of fun as you continue to science the day.